consumption, investment in that country on a significant scale judged by his level of income and wealth. Normal residents include both individuals as well as and institutions. Both individual as well as institutions. It is not necessary that normal residents of a country is also a citizen of that country, because I have already told a person may be the normal residents of one country even where he is a citizen of that other country. I have given also examples. So now I will give that some examples of normal residents of India and non-residents of India. First example is that of normal residents of India, Indians working in the foreign embassy in India is the example of normal residents of India. Non-residents of India, example, foreigners working in Indian embassies in Canada and Japan. Similarly, normal residents of India, example is Indian employed in WHO, World Health Organization, located in India. Foreigners working in World Health Organization located in India is the non-resident of India. Similarly, another example, normal resident of India is local people working in the office of IMF in India is the normal resident of India. Non-residents of India like this, German working as director of the office of IMF International Monetary Fund located in India. Similarly, ambassador for India in the rest of the world is the normal resident of India, and non-residents of India, example is that ambassador in India from rest of the world. There are so many examples like this. The normal resident of India example is the foreign citizen living in India for a period of more than 1 year other than for studies or medical treatment is the best example of the normal residents of India. Similarly, non-resident of India, the foreign technical expert working in India for a period of less than 1 year is the example of the non-residents of India. Here also some questions. One more questions. You have to write that answer. You must go through the books and prepare the notes regularly